So I'm just getting ready to have a nice luncheon for my family. So I've made some keto enchilada rolls. And instead of using a tortilla, I've used cabbage. So they're super low carbohydrates. And who doesn't love Mexican food? So I started out with making a little puree of black beans. And I used some of the enchilada sauce that I made as well. So I made my own sauce, but you can buy good sauce. I like the Siete brand. They make a really good with all their clean ingredients as well. So I'm just making it a little dollop on each plate. And then I made a really delicious creamy avocado sour cream. So again, you can do this totally vegan as well. So I'm going to put the one that's the chicken one here. So we'll start out with chicken and they can come back in here and they can get their vegetarian one as well. Green onions and cilantro. I guess they're all waiting patiently outside. So there you go, a beautiful luncheon, and they are light and fluffy. You cannot go wrong when you love Mexican food. So what do you guys think?
Great. This is
Beautiful.
I love Mary's presentation. Look at that. With the rosemary.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers,
everyone.
Cheers. Happy birthday, Tandy.
Happy birthday, Tandy.
Thank you.
Oh my God.